guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video it is nail day and I got a new package from madamglam.com and they were gracious enough to send over their summer gel polishes, and these are those right here. Beautiful vibrant colors. I love neon like colors for the summertime. This is so me, so I cannot wait to go ahead and get started with these. I'm torn between the orange and this pinky color right here. I think I'm going to end up going with the pink and then the orange next, but they're so gorgeous. I don't know, you know what, let's just go with the orange. We'll just do the orange. So pretty, and this is it right here, Bahama Mama. And Bahama Mamas just happen to be one of my favorite drinks. I love a good Bahama Mama, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and get this color swatched so you can see how it looks. You know what, better yet, we'll swatch all three colors so you'll see how they look. I do have their portable lamp here. This is the portable UV nail lamp, okay, and these are the colors right here that we're going to be swatching. I love the Madam Glam brand, guys. I love these. Again, this one is Bahama Mama. This is Baby Nest. And this one is the Rule Maker. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch all three to see how they look once they're on the nail and cured. They do have their gel base coat, the top coat, and the gel polish remover, guys. So I have almost all of the important items from Madam Glam. These are things that you will need to pick up as well when you're starting your at-home nail kits, your at-home nail studio, guys. So you do want to make sure you grab these things as well. Alright, this is Baby Nest. Alright, this is one coat of Baby Nest. This is how it looks. So gorgeous. A perfect color for summer. So pretty. Baby Nest. Alright, here is Bahama Mama. OMG, guys, it is so beautiful. I am loving this vibrant orange color. So pretty. Be sure to let me know what you think of each color down below in the comments area. Here is the Rule Maker. So pretty. Guys, I don't know. The Rule Maker is so beautiful. I don't know which color of the three I'm going to go with. I don't know. Alright guys, after swatching the nail colors, I decided to go with Baby Nest. So this is what I'm going to go with. Instead of using glue, just as last time, I'm going to use the base gel to adhere my press-on nails. Y'all know I'm all about my press-on nails. I love this method, and I wore my last set of press-on nails for 2 months using this very method. So I'm going to go ahead and put all my press-on nails. That is it for me. Be sure to check out the description box to get your hands on the Madam Glam products. And as you see, I went with Baby Nest. Really like this color. Be sure to let me know what you think of it down below in the comments area. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Bye.